Governor Hochul announced $127 million will go to local law enforcement offices across the state to purchase new equipment and technology to update and modernize operations and better solve and prevent crime.
To do their job?
Yeah.
Yes.
The funding will come through grants to be used to buy equipment like license plate readers, mobile and fixed camera systems, drones, software, gunshot detection devices, and other smart equipment for patrol vehicles and officers. According to the announcement, the Corning Police Department will get $195,000. Just last week, Corning Police requested the County Public Safety Committee help them get a police drone for the city.
No, that sounds like a good idea. Definitely. Give some more access to what's going on around them, virtually almost, instead of in person.
This is the biggest spot for issues in Bath.
Just last week, the Bath Village Police requested help from the County Public Safety Committee for a new camera at the bus stop to keep an eye on recent activity.
I know that there's cameras up there and the cops do circle this often.
The newly announced $40,000 worth of state funding could make that possible soon.
There's been lots of issues here, so yeah, more cameras would probably be good.
Steuben County Sheriff's Office will get $665,000. Steuben County Sheriff Jim Allard confirmed with Big Fox the state funding will be prioritized for new license plate readers, updating the in-car cameras for the department's entire fleet of vehicles, and adding a new digital mapping camera to solve crime cases. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News.